Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 6. I am Shofil Alam Setu. Today we are going to start new chapter 3. The name is In this chapter we will learn about integers and using number line we will solve different types of maths. So let's start today. At first, definitions. We will learn the definitions of integers. For the need of making the numbers 1, 2, 3 were discovered. These are called natural numbers or positive whole numbers. All you already know about this. If we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get a new collection of numbers known as whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, dot 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 dot. That means some more numbers. These are also called non-negative whole numbers. We also find that there are negative whole numbers too. That is -4, -3, -2, -1, dot 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 dot. Different numbers. So in here you can see the non-negative whole numbers, and now this is negative whole numbers. If we put the non-negative whole numbers and the negative whole numbers together, the new collection of numbers will look like -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 is in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means in the right side that is positive number, and in the left side that is negative number. These numbers are known as integers. So now you understand these numbers are known as integers. So representation of number line. So at first, representation of integers on a number line. And you all know what is number line? A line on which numbers are marked at intervals used to illustrate simple numerical operations. That means every number marked which has interval between them and a straight line is drawn and a point 0 is taken on it. You can see in here 0 is taken. The point 0 divides the line into two segments. This 0 point divides the line into two segments. The segment on the right side and that on the left side are extended boundlessly. That means we take here in here 10, but you can take more, 11, 12, 13 in here, -11, -12, -13 more. That's why it's extended boundlessly. After that, generally the right side is considered as the positive direction and the left side as the negative direction. That means from 0 the right side will be the positive side and the left side will be the negative side. Taking a definite length as unit, equal segments are marked on both sides starting from the point 0. The marks on the right side are denoted by +1, +2, +3, +4, dot dot dot, as you know already that from 0 the right side will be positive side, respectively that on the left side are negative side, -1, -2, -3, -4 respectively. This line marked with numbers is known as number line, and in the number line you can see every number is lying the same interval. So next, exercise 3.1, we will solve number 1. Write opposite of the following in meaning. Like increase in height, the opposite must be decrease in height, because increase is up and decrease is less. 30 km north The market is 8 km to the east of the home. Loss of taka 700, 100 meter above sea level. So the solution will be normal meaning increase in height, that is opposite meaning will be decrease in height. Normal meaning 30 km north, opposite meaning will be 30 km south. The market is 8 km to the east of the home. The market is 8 km to the west of the home. Loss of taka 700, profit of taka 700, 100 meter above sea level, above which is opposite is below, so 100 meter below sea level. Next question will be number 2. Place the following numbers on a number line, plus 5 and minus 10. At first we will solve number A, plus 5. So the plus 5, if we draw a number line, a straight line at first we draw, and the 0 we will take in the middle position. The right side that would be positive side and the left side that would be negative side. You can see we need plus 5, that's why we will go from 0 to the right side, 1 2 3 4 5, and we will mark at 5. Next math, here plus 5 is a positive integer, so we have to shift 5 steps right from the 0 and mark the spot. Now number B math, minus 10. So again we will draw a 9, and from 0 we will take the negative value in the left side and the positive value in the right side. You can see in the right side we don't need 10 or above because we have to mark minus 10. That's why we take only in the negative side up to minus 11. You can take minus 12, minus 13, no problem. But in the right side you have to show that positive number 1 2 3 4 something 4 5 number, no problem. But no need to make it big like left side 10, right side 10. But what we need in here, if we need in here plus 10, then we can extend this positive side to up to 11 or 12. But in here we need only minus 10. That's why we extend the negative side to minus 11. Here minus 10 is a negative integer, so we have to shift 10 steps left from the 0 and mark the spot. So next math, exercise 3.1. Each of the following pairs, which number is to be right of the other on the number line? First pair is 2 9, second 0 minus 1 minus 6 6. So we will solution of A 2 9, that is positive. We will draw a number line and we will mark the positive 2 to 9. That is the right of the other on the number line. Then second math, minus 2 minus 8. That's why we will go to the negative side from minus 2 to minus 8. E number 6 minus 6. We will take positive side to 6 and we will take negative side to minus 6. That is the figure we already marked. You can see that is the marking of this number. Okay, next, that is write all the integers between the given pairs in the increasing order, like 0 and minus 7, minus 4 and minus 15. The integers between 0 to minus 7 are, you can know, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. If we write in increasing order, you can see minus 6 less than minus 5, less than minus 4, less than minus 3, less than minus 2, less than minus 1. In that, for the negative value, you can see the highest value is the lowest and the lowest value is the highest. But in the positive value, highest value is the highest and the lowest value is the lowest. But in the negative value, it is totally different. Highest value is the lowest and lowest value is the highest. That means minus 1 is the highest, minus 6 will be the lowest, minus 7 will be the lowest, minus 8 also will be the lowest, minus 10 also will be the lowest. The next one, if we arrange in increasing order, you can see minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So the required value is that. And number C, the integers between minus 4 and minus 15, you can see minus 5, minus 6 to up to minus 14. Now the increasing order is minus 14 is very less and minus 5 is highest. So if we are in increasing order, this number is something like that, and the required value is this. Math number 7, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. As all you know, minus 20 is less, and if we go before minus 20, that will be the highest value, then minus 20. So these are the 3 questions and we will solve now. Solution number A, 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. You can see minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16 is greater. You can write minus 12, minus 4, 10, minus 2, minus 1, but we need only 4 negative integers. That's why we write only minus 19 to minus 16. The next question is 4 negative integers less than minus 10. You know, less than minus 10. That's why we will go to up. Minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. This is the required value. The next question is 4 negative integers between minus 10 and minus 5. So minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 is the 4 negative integers between minus 10 and minus 5. This is the required value. So my dear students, today you learned a new chapter, and this is part 1, exercise 3.1. We discussed some definitions and we solved some maths, and you see now the number line. This is very important for this chapter, and the positive value and the negative value you should read more, and you should do the homework of number 7 in your SW copy. Okay, so we will meet next class with this chapter again, and we will solve some different maths. For that time, assalamu alaikum, see you again.